Welcome to our lesson about using the Arc tool. First, let's activate the Line tool. Place a line about here. Left mouse click to finish the line. Now to create an arc, hold the mouse button and move the mouse. Depending upon the direction of movement, I'll end up with a tangent or a perpendicular arc. There's the perpendicular symbol here. Let's go back to the origination point. And let's drag down this way. You see the tangency symbol at the origination point. Let's move the mouse until a tracking line appears. Release the mouse, and let's create our second line. The tracking line appears. Left click to finish the line. Of course, we can also use the Arc tool to create arcs. Just this way is a little faster when you're sketching. We've got three methods of arc creation: 3-point, tangent, and a center point arc. Let's start with the tangent arc method. Select this point. Here's our first arc. Left click to finish it. Now select this point. And here's our second arc. Left click to place it. Let's take a look at the 3-point arc tool. We select a first point, a second point, and point number 3. Notice that when I drag the mouse, the tangency symbol appears and disappears. Left click to place our third point. Once again, our first point, second point, and point number 3 establishes the radius. And let's take a look at the center point arc method. First, we left click to establish the center point, and left click again to establish the radius. We can also enter a radius value, let's say 0.4 inches. Tab to register, and let's specify the angle, let's say 10 degrees. Enter. One more step, I've got to specify the angle where I want the arc to finish. We can also enter the value manually, let's say 90 degrees, enter. And right-click and done to close the tool. This concludes our lesson about creating arcs.